What's up, dudes and dudettes? Thanks for stopping by, whether you wanted to or not. If you wanted to, awesome. If you want to in the future, go down below, slap that old subscribe button and become a pal. For those of you who don't know, you're really lucky, but it's me, Sneaker YouTube's version of that really annoying Gucci Gang song by Little Pump, your least favorite content creator, SB Mitch. Here's my info. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram. Today I have a high-ticket beater box from Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a membership-only program for these beater boxes, which are basically mystery sneaker boxes that you flip for money, for profit, or more than buy. This one in particular is over $1,000. It was $1,250 plus $40 shipping for a grand total of $1,290. Be sure to stick around till the end where I break it down to compare how much it's worth versus how much I paid. But before that, obviously, we have to open it. So let's open it now. All right, this thing's open and we have good news. No loose shoes, that's a good thing. So let's pop open the first one. I'm gonna grab some of these Nike boxes. First up, we have a size 9 Nike Flyknit trainer. This is a pair of the OG Nike Flyknit trainer. Some people call these the Yay Knits. This is a really good size to get, and these are actually in pretty good shape. Just need a little bit of cleaning. The bottoms are a little bit dirty, but that's what happens with used shoes. So, size 9 Flyknit trainer, shoe number 1. Let's keep going. Another red Nike box. This is a size 9 Air Zoom Flight the Glove. Good old Gary Payton. These are not dead stock, but they could pass as dead stock if that was an actual thing. But this is, ooh, these are crazy. I've never seen these before. I don't know what to say about this. This is like a cover. This is really weird. I don't know how much these are worth. Your guess is probably as good as mine, but again, it's a size 9 Zoom Flight the Glove, whatever this thing is. Glad that wasn't at the bottom of the box. Another red Nike box. Oh, there it is. Okay. This is a size 11, which is my size, Nike Flyknit trainer. This is a pair of the Oreo Flyknit trainers. This is a really nice colorway, if you ask me. I really like these. Cool. Yeah, really good shape. Just a little bit of dirt on the bottom. Solid 9 out of 10. Come with the extra laces. Yeah, these are really good size 11 Flyknit trainer Oreo. Not a bad box so far, but it is over $1,000, so I'm seeing why it's over $1,000 right now, but that's gonna be the last shoe. Size 9 Air Jordan 12 Retro. What do we got here? Hey! It's a pair of playoff 12s in a size 9. These are in pretty decent shape. Little bit of Jumpman still in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I highly doubt it. Solid 7 out of 10 condition. No separation. No major scuffs or anything. They just need a little bit of a cleanup. So size 9 playoff 12s. A lot of people like 12. This is a really solid shoe. Good size too. That won't take too long to flip. This is 3 more, including this one. This is a size 10 Air Jordan 5 Retro. This is a pair of metallic 5s. These are in really good shape, I'm not gonna lie. Got the lace locks and a retro card, so that's cool. This is it's like a 06, 07 release, I think. Bottoms are a little bit dirtied up, a little bit discolored, which is normal, but yeah, these could be cleaned up really easily. And size 10 Air Jordan 5 metallic. We got 2 more in here. Yep, I already know what this is. It's a size 8. This is a pair of the Air Max 1 Atmos release from earlier this year of the Animal Pack. Dead stock condition. Actually a really good size too. I can't complain about that, but yeah. I have these right here. Love this pair. One of my favorites of the year so far. Decent size. Should be able to flip pretty quickly just because it is a dead stock pair. So yeah, size 8. Animal Pack Air Max 1s. And last but not least, the reason this box is over $1,000, a size 13 Yeezy 750. Box is gigantic. Ooh, okay. This is a really lightly worn pair of the Yeezy 750 OGs. This is the very first OG. You can see the Yeezy on there too, hopefully. It's a really cool pair. Pretty massive, I'm not gonna lie, but looks like the dust bag is not in here, but it appears the secondary laces are here too. I don't know what what value is on these. I would imagine pretty high because it's in really good shape. Wow. Always want to check on here. Zippers are working, that's good. But yeah, size 13, Yeezy OG 750s. Pretty cool. And that is the box. How do we do? Is it a good box? Is it a bad box? I don't know. Well, let's go ahead and give it a grade in the SB Mitch report card. Dorino. It's not a word. Report card. Card is a word. All right, let's give this box a grade. We get that grade through 3 categories, and they are as follows. Category 1, condition. Category 2, sizes. And category 3, hype/value, because a shoe with no hype has no value. So let's do condition first. There is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 pairs of shoes in this $1,250 Soul Supremacy beater box. 1 is dead stock. The other ones are in really good shape, but 1 is dead stock. Therefore, I'm gonna give this box a B-. Sizes, so we have an 8, 9, 11, 9, 10, 9, and 13. Sizes are kind of all over the place. There's only that one really big size. Sizes on this box, we're gonna give it a B+. Hype/value. All the value is in that Yeezy, and there's some value in that animal pack, but it's gonna take some certain buyers for these older Jordans and maybe even the Flyknit trainers. So hype/value on this box, we're gonna give it about a B+ too. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of B+ for hype/value, this $1,250 Soul Supremacy beater box gets a grade of B in the SB Mitch report card. So I gave this box a grade of B. What's gonna make me any money? Let's find out right now in the breakdown. So there it is. I just broke it down for you. Keep in mind that that is without any kind of fees or shipping. That is pure value versus cost. Let me know down below what you think of this box. Thought it was good, thought it was bad, thought I overpaid, hate me, like me, whatever, it doesn't really matter. I will take the time to respond to every single one of your comments because I have nothing but time. If you have some of that, feel free to check out my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, which updates every Friday. Some of these shoes will be up on that website today, maybe too. I don't really know. But I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care of each other. And remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that. Because it's the easiest way to be happy, and everyone deserves to be happy. Yar matey, bye.